Welcome to Moral and Magic Tales. Let's have fun with words. Meet he, she, and you. Three little words that help us talk about people every day. So let's start. He is a chef. He wears a big hat. She is a chef. She cooks tasty food. He is a police officer. He keeps us safe. She is a police officer. She catches bad guys. Now we talk about you. You are my friend. You play with me. Can you add more sentences in it? Keep going. He is a farmer. He takes care of animals. She is a farmer. She grows food. He is a swimmer. He swims fast. She is a swimmer. She loves the water. Good going. He is a lawyer. He fights for justice. She is a lawyer. She helps people in court. He is a firefighter. He fights fires. She is a firefighter. She is very brave. He is a singer. He plays piano too. She is a singer. She sings very well. Good going, Bits. He is an artist. He loves bright colors. She is an artist. She paints pictures. He is a teacher. He loves to read books. She is a teacher. He teaches kids. You are learning. He is a doctor. He helps sick people. She is a doctor. She works in a hospital. You can jump higher. You are very active. You make friends. He is a football player. He kicks the ball. She is a football player. She runs very fast. He is a baker. He bakes tasty bread. She is a baker. She makes sweet cakes. Yum yum. He is a student. He learns new things. She is a student. She studies every day. See, he, she, and you are easy to use. Keep practicing and you will be your award master in no time. Like and share. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.